Birds' name and their sounds. Birds. Birds are large group of animals. They have backbone and warm-blooded. All birds have two legs, wings, feathers, a beak, and they lay eggs. There are more than 10,000 species of birds in the world. Birds eat different types of food. Some eat insects, some eat nuts and fruits, some eat fish, some eat meat. Most of the birds fly, but few birds like penguin and ostrich cannot fly. Birds have colorful feathers. The feather of male bird is brighter than the female bird. Peacock. Sound is screams. Hummingbird sound is whistles. Pigeon sound is coos. Woodpecker sound is drumming. Sparrow sound is chirps. Myna sound is chirps, clicks, whistles. Canary sound is relaxing melody sound. Flamingo sound is grunting or growling. Ostrich sound is hissing noise. Eagle sound is whistles. Vulture sound is hissing. Toucan sound is croaking. Duck sound is quacks. Parrot sound is talks. Penguin sound is squawks. Macaw sound is squawks. Swallow sound is chirps. Crow sound is caws. Dove sound is coos. Owl sound is hoots. Rooster sound is crows. Hen sound is clucks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.